And the Jamaica's first ever football school is now a reality as the Mount Pleasant Academy opened its doors in St. Anne today. There have long been talks of a football academy in Jamaica, but no one had backed up those talks with any substantial action. Well, that was before Peter Gould put his money where his mouth was to get it done in less than 6 months' time. On Monday, students turned up to take their place at the dorm ahead of Tuesday's opening. Boys from all across the island were chosen and were accompanied by their parents for the historic occasion. Principal and Director Vannie Clark says trying to get the school ready in such a short time does come with a challenge.
Trying to complete this massive undertaking in such a short space of time, you can expect that there will be some amount of timing issues. So we've been working extremely hard. I left here late last night trying to ensure that the dorm area was properly prepared to accommodate the kids this morning.
And Clark says even though they are geared towards success, that won't come with a click of the finger.
As it relates to results on the play field, once we start playing, that will take some time, but we expect that they're going to perform. And so long as they keep learning, for me at this age group, at this part of their development, it's about the learning, it's about the process. So the results, the untrained eye will judge the results differently from the trained eye, but we expect that in time the results will tell from their performances.
Oren Campbell and Roshane Burrell are two of the students enrolled.
I think it's going to be okay because football is not only your aid. You have to have academics and so on to pursue a professional career in football. So I expect it's going to be good.
I would like to thank my mother for making me join this school, and my coach for bringing me to the child, and I did not disappoint him because I put out my all by playing. And the other coach at the child, they see that I'm a good goalkeeper.
And the parents were just as excited to have their children as a part of the project.
I'm so excited to know that my son was chosen to come here, and I just hope he do the best and achieve his goal that he desires. He loves football. Football is his dream, so I hope he put his head to it and know that is the way he wants to be.
The feeling is really great, I love the feeling, I love the atmosphere, and I wish him the best, and sky's the limit.
The school has been approved by the Ministry of Education and will see students doing a similar curriculum as the other schools in the country.